Want to clear browsing history on your Samsung phone? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, open the Samsung Internet app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right to open the browser menu. Select Settings, then Privacy and Security to find History and Data Controls. Tap Clear Browsing Data, check browsing history and any other boxes you want removed. Tap Clear, confirm when prompted, and your Samsung Internet history will be removed. To clear history in Chrome, open the Chrome app on your Samsung phone. Tap the three dots in the top right, then choose History to view your browsing list. Select Clear Browsing Data, pick a time range like all time, then tap Clear Data. If you prefer a full reset, you can clear all browser data from your phone settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, select your browser app, then tap Storage to manage data. Tap Clear Data and confirm. This removes all app data including browsing history and cache.